Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if NFC is not working on Samsung Galaxy A25. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps. And then scroll down and here click on NFC. Now go to its storage and after opening storage, clear the app data and cache memory of NFC. Now here click on delete to confirm.